guys! So today I'm going to share kung ano yung mga binili natin from the grocery store and the department store. So come with me because at the end of this video, I'm going to share a very cute na nabili ko from actually a different store. But I love it to bits. I like it so much. Matagal ko na siyang gusto. And these are the other things that I got yesterday. So when it comes to grocery, madami akong mga binibili na interval. Meaning, halimbawa, last month, ang binili ko ay mostly mga hygiene, toiletries, products. Kaya wala ng sabon, shampoo, etc. ngayon. And some of the condiments like Magic Sarap, Ajinomoto. Ito lang for now, for this month, ang kailangan natin. Some of this ay repeat products, like this milk, mga repeat products. Pero yung iba naman will last me months kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya nauubos agad-agad. Like, etong mga to, paminta, some of this pancit canton, hindi ko naman nauubos agad-agad. And, yan. So, let's check one by one. So, since it's summertime, medyo mainit pa. Actually, patapos ng summer. So, we have here the Selecta Super Thick Avocado. So, this is actually the second time na trinay ko to. So, this is very nice. Ayan, siya sa loob. So, super thick. Hindi pa natin yan nabawasan. Pero nilagay na natin sa freezer. Mamaya ibabalik natin. And this is very affordable lang. So this is 1.3 liters. Aside from this, ang hinahanap ko ay plano ko sanang bilhin pa is the queso. Kasi I'm craving for queso na Selecta na ice cream. Kasi it's not available. My second option is the vanilla. So meron tayong binili na super thick din na vanilla. Pero in smaller size na lang. Kasi feeling ko hindi ko mauubos yung isang ganito kalaki. Kaya bumili lang tayo just to ease yung cravings. So, I'm excited to try this. Actually, I'm excited dito kaysa sa dito. Pero I'm sure na mas maubos ko to ng ganitong size as compared sa isang tab na ganito. So, hindi na natin buksan. Yan. At mamaya ibabalik na natin to sa freezer kasi masisira siya. So this is super thick vanilla and this is just 99 pesos. Aside from that, since nagtatry na tayong healthy, by the way, this is a combination of healthy and not so healthy food. So for the healthy part, we have this delightful buko nata na flavored yogurt ni Nestle. So this is with live active cultures. So, since healthy-healthyhan, meron din tayong Yakult na isang pack. At ito, bihirang-bihira na magkaroon ng magandang mushroom. I prefer yung Inuki kaso walang Inuki. So, this is from Dizon's Farm. This is actually quite expensive, 88 pesos. So, this is white shimeji mushroom. And, yan. So, i-stir fry natin yan mamaya. At meron tayo, since meron tayo nito, kaya tayo nagkaroon ng ganito na spicy and creamy. So, mamaya isi-share natin yan. So, nag-isipan ko if kukuha ko ng tocino, pero this time, ang kinuha natin ay beef tapa. I still have hotdog. Yun yung palaging dapat meron sa ref. Hotdog na tender, juicy. But for now, since I still have supplies from school, like tender, juicy, pati yung katsu. So, happy tayo doon. So, yan munang binili natin. Meron tayong binili na oranges. So, itong 5 is around 240. At meron din tayong binili na papaya for 80 pesos. Yan ang ating mga nakuha from the fresh produce. And then, ito naman yung mga cold and frozen products. Lagay ko muna to sa ref para hindi masira. Okay. Continue, we have here 1.5 liters ni Coca-Cola. So, this is for those times na mag-crave tayo ng soft drink. So, it's not every day. So, yan. Trying to be healthy. And here, we have 2 packs, litro packs ni Alaska Evaporada. Nakita ko to. Naakit ako sa kanyang container. This is the home soya na milk. Meron din tayo ditong twin pack save 10 pesos ni pineapple juice. Pareho lang yan, pineapple juice. Just in case, bumili tayo ng Smirnoff. We also have here Nestle cream kasi naisipan kong gumawa ng coffee jelly. Kasama to, si Alaska Classic at yung ating coffee jelly na nawawala. Ito, si coffee jelly. Ang mahal na nito. This is 50 pesos. Nabutan ko pang 19 yata yan. I can't recall. Sa dilata naman, we have konti lang. Ito yung mga products na tumatagal siya. At pag may mga times na tinatamad ako magluto or nagkikrave lang ng specific na dilata, so these are the supplies. So, meron pa tayo dyan mga mushroom, mga green beans. So, ito yung mga kailangan natin na i-replenish. So, we have here the Blue Bay tuna adobo. This is the best. Kahit wala siyang masyadong laman, but the sauce is sarap. Tama, sauce sarap. So, naging sauce na lang yan. Sa loob niyan, parang isang kutsara lang ng tuna ang laman. But that's fine. Ito, syempre, we have the Ligo sardines. Wawala yung sardina sa ating grocery. Imagine the taste. Tapos may kamatis, sibuyas, sili. It's so nice. So homey. Aside from ditong dalawa, ito din, palagi kong kinukuha, 555 Spanish sardines. I shared a recipe before na pasta. I'll share it here. But this is also very nice kahit sa kanin lang. I love this so much. Aside from that, we also have here dalawang Gold Seas na yellowfin tuna. And we also have here corned beef na Libby's. Yan. And we also have Reno. I still have 2 more na naka-supply dyan. Ginagamit ko to for caldereta at pagpalaman. So, yan. And last is, not yet, Phillips na sausage. Aside from that, sa dilata, let's continue. We have here na Pure Foods, corned beef, dalawa. So, this is save 10 pesos. For the noodles naman, I always make sure na I have a cup of noodles. And I prefer this seafood or yung hinahanap ko talaga is yung spicy beef na hindi siya available for, I don't know. We have here backup. Meron pa tayo dyan noodles. Pero ito, backup natin just in case. We have 2 beef na Lucky Me and isang chicken. For the pancit canton, we have yung Lucky Me original. I know, chili mansi. Dalawa at dalawang meal bread. Here we have Nestea. We have 2 kinds. Lemon iced tea, dalawa lang. And then the honey blend iced tea. And this is the gulaman na shinare ko kanina. Coffee, we have 2 kinds. We have the Nescafe Classic. Ito na yung bago nilang packaging. So we have the Nescafe Classic. And then we also got the Gold. So we have here the Intense Dark Roast ni Nescafe Gold. So naka-refill pack siya kasi mas naglalast yung quality niya kasi resistable as compared dun sa bottle. So yan. And we also have here 2 kinds, no, not 2 kinds, 2 packs ni Birch Tree. This is the full cream, not the 45. Mas gusto ko to. Ito yung kinalakihan ko. At the start of my Life Mama Boo channel, palaging grocery packs yung palagi kong sinishare kasi pandemic yon. We can't go out. We also have here the original hot cake mix ni Maya. So, tama lang to na size. Ang ginagawa ko ay niluluto ko na to lahat at nilalagay ko lang sa ref. And if in case mag-crave ako, I will just reheat it sa microwave. So, I have here Del Monte original style na tomato sauce. This is mainly used for cooking. Kaya maliit lang yung pouch natin. And together with this, palagi tayong mayroong tomato paste. Let's continue here. Meron tayong, bihira na lang tayo bumili ng mga ganito kasi mahal sila. So we have spicy and creamy flavor, tumba, Shin Ramyeon. So I'm excited to try this together with my mushroom. So for the seasonings, these are the things that we need to replenish. We have sinigang na nor sa gabi, and we have 2 packs. Same with the regular na original. And we also have here 3 kinds na powder. So we have here the garlic powder by Pure Basics. We also have here white pepper, black pepper na naka-powder. So, yung mga ganito ay ginagamit natin for gyoza kasi kailangan very fine. And we also have here backup ni paminta. And this is 20 plus na buo. So, mas binibili ko yung buo kasi meron akong pepper meal. So, mas fresh pag fresh mo siyang dudurugin. But for this, kailangan natin sa gyoza. For the nor cubes, we will need 2 packs. 1 for chicken, kasi wala na. And then, shrimp. So, ang ginagawa ko niyan ay inaalis ko dito sa lalagyan at gumagamit ako dito. So, this is my cube container. And pag makikita nyo dyan siya, mix to ng beef, pork, chicken. But how will I know if ano yung kailangan ko? Yung mga cubes na yan, bago ko ilagay dyan, ay sinusulatan ko. So, for this, S for shrimp, P for pork, at so on and so forth. So, may beef dyan, halo-halo yan, chicken, shrimp, at pork. So, yan. So, dito natin siya nilalagay. So, this is very cute. I had this container since pandemic. Binili ko lang siya sa SM department store. Kitchenwares. Lumipat na tayo kay UFC, Happy Fiesta Vegetable Oil. Yung palagi kong binibili nito ay yung 2 packs. So, meron pa tayo dyan. This time, it's not available. Kaya kumuha lang tayo ng backup, which is just 1 liter na vegetable oil. Either vegetable oil or palm oil. Yun yung walang aftertaste na ginagamit ko. A month, nakakaubos ako maximum ng 3 na ganito. Max na yon na Happy Fiesta. For the condiments, we need to replenish na yung ating suka. We have also the soy sauce, Silver Swan, and dato puti na patis. We also need backup ni Mang Tomas kasi paubos na, just in case. And then ito, perfect to sa mga pansit. So this is spiced vinegar ni dato puti. So konti lang. I have here Jeffran kasi kailangan natin yan for pizza or yan. I have 2 kinds. I have the red hot and also the sriracha. And also the classic, the favorite. And ito, ilang buwan ako hindi gumamit nito kasi we're trying to live a healthy life. Kasi ang ginagawa ko dito ay nilalagay ko to sa kanin. Kasi ang sarap niya. Yan. For the chichirya naman, we have here Cheetos. Ito, binili na sa department store. Kasi usually ang binibili ko sa grocery is the Cheetos na regular and the nachos. Tostitos. Kaso hindi siya available, kaya doon tayo lumapit kay department store. Mas gusto ko to. And then we also have here the original. So, when you buy this, you will be able to save 40 pesos. Hindi na tayo kumuha ng malaking clover kasi last time yung clover hindi ganun kasarap. So, we have 2 kinds. We have the V-cut. Since palagi lang naman itong kinakain natin, I got 2. Yan, V-cut. Yan yung ating ultimate favorite among this, si V-cut. Talo niya si Cheetos. And then we have clover. At isa rin na maliit na loba. So, yan ang ating chichirya for this month. We bought this twin pack na 15 sachet na Milo kasi mas maganda, mas tumatagal sa akin yung Milo pag ganito na individually packed. At since mainit at nahilig tayo sa juice lately, as you can see, from 6 na meron na tayong 12 pieces aside from the Nestea and aside from the Del Monte na juice. That's why I've mentioned na matagal ito maubos kasi I have options. Ito, ang ginagawa ko nito ay tinitimpla ko to sa malaking baso na concentrated, tapos nilalagyan-lagyan ko lang pa konti-konti yung baso, transfer it, and then add ice. So, yun, mas convenient yun sa akin. So, we have the Tang Orange. And, hindi tayo bumili ng bread this time. Isip ko, kasi individually packed siya, mas madali ko siyang kainin, hindi ko na kailangan i-toast. Kasi ang dami kong palaman, kasama na dyan si Rino. At everyday, kumakain ako ng, ito yung technically nagiging breakfast ko na. At ito din, I like this so much, yung pita spreads, kaya bumili din tayo. So, this, isang buwan na. Okay? So, let's continue dito sa ating toiletries. Naubos ng ating body wash, kaya kumuha tayo nito. This is my go-to na body wash. So, this is from Watsons. So, iba-ibang variants. Last time, nag-goat milk tayo tapos rose. Ngayon, balik tayo kay rose. At this is only 334 by one take. One na. So, yung isa is rose. The other one na kinuha ko ay aloe vera. Yan. I'm excited. So, this is 1,000 ml. Matagal na yan. Hindi available yung ating lotion na blue. So, ito yung kinuha natin this time. Extra Bright, Radiant, and Smooth UV Filter na superfood ni Nivea. Or Nivea. I prefer yung blue. This is actually more expensive kasi 403 to, dalawa. Yung blue nasa 380, 390 lang. At mas smooth sa akin yun. Unfortunately, it's not available. So, this one, ito yung kailangan natin. Also have backup ni Green Cross Alcohol 70%. And we also got a vitamins Caltrate. So, this is the information. It's not everyday na tinitake ko to. So, matagal yan. And we also have here Colgate na 2 tubes. Kaya, tipid. And, balik tayo kay kalinisan. We have kalinisan. This is a recommended. Very nice, malinis, mabango. And we also have our go-to na Sunrocks, the clear, the original, and the violet. And we have, palagi akong Charmy, but this time, parang, ewan ko, feel ko si Sisters. And Charmy for the panty liner. We also have here paper stem. This is 200 buds. So, hindi dapat yan mawawala. And, from Tide, we will try Ariel. Actually, this is very mabango. Hindi ko alam kung talagang 200 na ito. But, we will check the receipt. And we got 3 na surf bar. Yan na. Ito matagal ito maubos. Lampas to isang buwan. Yan. So, that's it for the food and the groceries. I will share yung kinuha natin sa other part ng store. So, we got extra. I shared this in my ref organization. If you haven't seen my video, please do check. I've shared na I got Hosh. From the original na binili ko na 8 plus 8 plus 2, kumuha ako ng additional 4 ng malaki nito. Next size, up. Tapos yung largest, kumuha ko ng extra 2. And another extra 4 ni smallest size. So, hopefully, this is the last na, kasi perfect to sa paggamit natin, sa paglagay ng mga vegetables like sili, etc. So, ginagamit ko to sa ating bagong ref. So, please check my recent video. So, ang highlight I mentioned earlier. So, this is the container, parang palamigan. This is 135. Merong ganito yung tita ko, pero different
style, yung parang garapon na na yung mga luma. At nilalagyan niya ng pagkain. And I also want one. At nakita ko to at a very affordable price. 135 lang. Ang cute. Though, hindi siya kasama sa ating color coding na neutral, wood, white. But that's fine. Siya yung maiiba. And wala siyang lalagyan. Yun yung maganda. Wala siyang faucet. So, I can just use this to store yung mga pagkain na binibili ko. Very nice. And I'm happy na I finally have my own. So, ilalagay ko to sa ibabaw. I'm not sure kung saan pa, but I like this so much. So, yan. Tada! So, that's it. I'm excited to use this. Thank you so much for watching, Mama Boo. I'll see you next time. Bye! So, this is by Sampaguita Plasticware.